Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be discussing objects in JavaScript. So what are objects in JavaScript? So these are like the real life objects. Suppose let's understand with an example of a car. You have car at home, so car is object. Let's understand with an example of a car is like an object and it can have properties, more than one properties or something like that. The first property is that is color. The color of the car is red and it can be white, blue or something like that, and it can also have properties like mileage, that how much mileage it gave, and other properties like the price. So the car is an object and it can have multiple properties. So the object is just like that in JavaScript, which have properties. So let's understand with an example of a car. So here we are creating a car object which have properties like name. It can be a car name of the car. So let's understand it, Maruti, and then the price, that is 2000. For now let's take it 20,000, and let's say color, that is red. So here car is an object and it have properties like name, price and color. So when we try to console this, sol.log car, it will console the object. So here the name, the first property name, which maps the value Maruti, and the other one price have to 20,000, and the color, that is red. So this is how you create object in JavaScript. You can also add some properties to it. So let's add one property, that is the year, the model year of the car. So for it we are need 2021, and it added a property name year which have value 2021 to the object. So now if you console the object, it will also return the year. So this is how you can add more properties to an object. And you can also and if you want to access only one property, that so here there are only access one property of the object. So there are two ways. First, that is the dot. So you can dot and then return and then write the property. So here we want to access the color of the car, so it will return the color property, that is red. And we can also use index. So for the name of the properties, sorry, my bad, the name of the properties, that is a price. So in these it will return the price of the car. Sorry, my bad, I think I did something wrong. Car price, sorry, we have to semicolon and then we have to write it price. So it will return the price of the car, that is 20,000. And you also can you can also assign function to an property. So suppose you have a property name car.start and you want to assign a function to it. So for that you can do like function which consoles car starting. So here's the count, and if you call the function or the start, it will console the text which we put in there, that is car starting. So you can also add function as a property to the object, property of the object. And as you see how you can access a single property of an object using index key, and also using dot, and how you can assign a function to the function as a property of an object. And you can also loop through a function using for loop for key in car console. So here console the key, and after dot console the sorry, my bad. Now console the no sorry got the function, you command it, and now if you console, so it will return all the properties, and the last one, that is a function. So here how you can loop through a object. So I think it's enough for today's video, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if it's helpful, do like the video, and thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.